Hello friends, welcome to my channel Otanu Khatwa. Today I am discussing about IPL match number 19 RR versus Kings 11 Punjab. My target to crack Grand League and Mini GL. I am not suggesting any small league teams here. I am giving information for Grand League. So first of all, I covered all the previous matches stat. So first of all, coming to Rajasthan played only one matches. They Jaiswal scored 6, Smith 66, Samson 74, Miller unfortunately get run out. Then Uthapa 5. Teotia is excellent with his bowling, not getting somewhere, but he's a hitter of this team, so obviously you can try him. But then Rian Porak, last year he bowled much over, but this year he not get any chance. Then Tom Curran, Jofra Archer, Gopal Unadkat. then coming to Kings 11 Punjab. So here I coming Kings 11 Punjab. So KL Rahul he scored excellent so far, 21 and 132. Mayank 89 and 26. Nair 1 and 15. Nair fell both the matches, but you can try in Grand League. Then coming to Puran is scored last was 17. Then Maxwell 1 and 5, but he got one wicket with his bowling. Then Sarfaraj Khan only 12. Then Gautam 20, not getting wicket. Then Chris Jordan. Well, I don't know why team prefer Chris Jordan over Jimmy Neesham. Don't know logic. Chris Jordan obviously a quality and class bowler and also can have the potential to give with his batting also. Jimmy Neesham totally wastage player. Many people taken him with to saw his name. But total CPL season I follow him and all I told him when I'm making my video for CPL and all the time I told him he's the wastage player of the CPL, wastage player of the CPL, and now I'm talking about he's the wastage player of the IPL also. You can follow. I don't know if you choose over Chris Jordan as a death bowler, then just laughing on your team. Nothing. Then Sami excellent, Cottrell also excellent. Bisnoy one player one. If Bisnoy had nothing to say about it. Excellent. Under 19 player. So Murugan Onsi also good. But today's ground is small, so spinner not getting so help. But only I refer only Ravi Bisnoy. Otherwise, I don't refer anyone else because he is a new bowler with his action also. So obviously, you can small ground. If the batsman can get six easily, and we expect more sixes today's match. So now I don't waste my time in that much stats. Also, you can all have know the stats, and I can hear also the 2019 stats. Those who are new on the channel, they can screenshot it. So you can go through this. And please subscribe my channel. After subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon. Also, I can show you the Rajasthan Royal stat. Also, those who are new in my channel, then you can go through this one by one. I give all the stat. So you can, if Karthik Tyagi play, then where you go to search the stat. So obviously I covered one by one stat, but I not waste my time here. So I have to discuss my special tips for Grand League. Those who are played only there, I will discuss about Grand League much more things. So now I coming to my special tips section. So here I coming first. I profile 11. I think Butler will play at number 4. I know as Steve Smith coming to open. So Butler at number 4. Then Smith, Jaiswal, Samson, Butler, Uthapa, Rian Pora, Gopal, Archer, Tom Curran, Tewatia, Unadkat. So this is will be the playing 11 for Rajasthan Royal. Now coming to Kings 11 Punjab. Kings 11 Punjab. Rahul, Gale. I hope Gale will be come to the order, and then Mayank will be one down. Nair, Maxwell, Sarfaraj Khan, Jimmy Nisam or Mujib. I recommended today for Mujib. Seriously, if you're not getting chance to give Mujib, here team will get chance Gale or Puran, but I have lot of words for Puran for only today's match. Why I am saying I am giving to an so Ravi Bisnoy, Sami, Cortal, Murgin Austin. So one by one I covered. I told about the playing 11 and probable 11 one by one. Now coming to my special type section, that's why we are waiting for those who are waiting for that's why 13 points. I am not getting in waste your time. Just 13 points. You just understand these things. What I am saying. First of all, I all told about the Rahul. Obviously, Rahul is excellent on his form. Nothing to say about. He's a excellent batsman. Excellent strike. He's a class player. But one thing I have to him, Rahul selection 90.7%. So how much his same approx for if I think there is a 48 lakh Grand League, so I can convert into 50 lakh. So yeah, Rahul selection will be 45 lakh people will take him. Okay, Then coming to a captain person 42 to 42.477%. So how much their captaincy person going to 18.9 lakh. So you have to understand one player is taken for 45 lakh, just 5 lakh leaving him, and taken as a captain for 18.9 lakh. So if he fail, just think about that moment and you get how much your rank will be increased, because all the Rajasthan Royal team will be planned against KL. They know the potent all the team will be stand for one batsman is KL Rahul. He is the leading run scorer. So obviously whole team will get uh, fully prepared for KL Rahul. Obviously, and he just scored two innings. Obviously, and in the if I say about average of law, see if you see the average of law, he can also fail, and he will pass. I think he will all people will pass, and obviously you can. Those who are playing small, then you can must take him and make him captain also. Don't need to take risk. But in Grand League, if you taken him and then he just scored. So obviously just think about 45 lakh taken and 18.9 lakh captain. So obviously if you fail, just think. Then coming to Gale, if you play then must try as a captain in Gale. And if you try Gale as a captain, then must drop him Rahul. Why I am saying this? I have no logic. Yesterday you see my team, I taken as Warner captain. I drop Barist. It's my logic. I never take, if I take both opener in my team and make opener captain, any opener captain, then I must give vice captain to other opener. And if I take one opener captain, then I must drop other opener. It's my logic. And you can follow, if I make captain vice captain, either no problem, but it's, so I go with this type. Now coming to Mayank Agarwal, Mayank expected 30 runs as usual. I expect also 30 runs. Puran, everyone forgot about this man, and I one thing clear to everyone forgot about. ठीक है? So just is how much excellence in his bat in this ground. In this ground, those who are know about T10, Abu Dhabi T10, you know about. So he just scored 77 in 25 balls in Abu Dhabi T10 in this ground, in this field. So he is excellent so far. I just prove you. Just 1 minute. You can see him. Just 1 minute. Hello guys, I coming to YouTube and you can search also. That I am talking, I can also wrong with you, but I give you the proof. You can go through the Puran innings in T10. In T10, just search it. The very first video you can got it, the inning. Nicholas Puran longest innings in 77 or 24. Here is the innings. In the same ground, same thing. You can go through this. So now I coming to, so I give you the proof also. Now I coming to my video. Then coming to Miller. Miller expected 30. I expected 30 to 40 runs, not much. Then coming to Jaiswal. Jaiswal, I have explained something. Jaiswal always failed in a very fast match. When he played for under 19 cricket, in a very fast match, he also failed. Then he dropped from the team and he go to his home. And very next match, he come into the team and he joined the team and he scored 119. So just think about that moment. So obviously I expect today also he's a big innings for him. So you must try him, Captain Bhaskar. He's a young talented player, excellent so far. Seriously, must try him. Mujib, I personally want to see him today. He will be expected. Seriously, Mujib, if I personally see him want to. So he's a excellent so far. One name, no one know, do every people not know about this name, but I chosen one name for today's match is Arshdeep Singh. So no one know about me, but I want to recommend it to Arshdeep Singh. If team will try to uh, in the squad, then he has a good record against Rajasthan Royals. So obviously you must player to watch out. Sami expected 2 wicket. I have nothing to explain. If you play Grand League, then you can. If Sami ball in second innings, then you can try to leave him, and if in so in Grand League you try to leave him. Butler, all people. One thing I clear to all people rushing for Butler. All people, all everywhere you get news. Butler will play, Butler will play, Butler will play. But just one thing you keep in mind, as you see Pat Cummins in the very first match, he just when he played the match, just after that match, before that match, he just before 3 hours, he just complete his quarantine. So again, again Butler also have a quarantine. So he just complete his quarantine, I think yesterday, and he just joined the team, and just before he have to play the match. So how much he have the fitness, how his mind set up. So it's all about the game. So I don't expect a big innings from him. You must try him. You must try him captain. But I go with my knowledge. I think just you, if you think about me, you think yourself, you just have a quarantine and you have to play for the very next match. Your mindset will be same. You just think. So I don't need. Then coming to Murugan Hussain, Murugan Hussain also a good expecter. You can try him, but boundary is so short, so I think not much effective. Then coming to Sarfaraz Khan, I have I have to choose in that player, though all the players leave him, but they have the potential to score big in this match. Sarfaraz Khan, all people forgot about him, but in in first class match he scored 200. So he is excellent with his bat. So far, excellent talented player, and he has the ability to score big. He's not getting chance. He coming in the lower order. So if upper order may failed earlier, then must one team you try Sarfaraz Khan. Must. Then coming to Ravi Bisoni. You what a player! Just awesome, future Indian cricketer. Seriously, obviously super player, and you nothing to when he ball against every big player, just concentration of mind. He gave in the ball here in the very first ball. His player got four, and very next ball he get a wicket or dot ball. Is just just think about it. Just under 19 player, and how much he have the potential. Excellent player potential. Future Indian cricketer. So now I coming to my Grand League piece. I explain all the 13 points, and I give you the also proofs. Puran innings one by one. Puran. Why I am saying about all going to for Butler, but I am saying about Puran. I have to understand how much Puran is effective. So now coming to my Grand League picks, I chosen 7 Grand League picks and top Grand League picks. So first of all, I go Puran. Puran, I again talk about Puran. If play, then must. If I can go, it's my research will be going to fail, but no problem. I give you proof. And many people asking on my research, but just I show you how I find one by one research. How I talking about Jaiswal, how I talking about Puran. Why? Just give you the proof. So now I talking about Sarfaraz Khan. Sarfaraz Khan, excellent young talented player. So I have the potential to then Unadkat. Unadkat also a good record against KL Rahul. One thing I clear to all, the full team will be coming to plan with KL Rahul. So there will be a battle between KL Rahul and full team Rajasthan Royals. And so you must have to watch. Then Riyan Porag is excellent, not only Gopal with 15% selection, Murugan Hussain 18%, Mujib only 4% selection. But if you fail, if you play, then you can must drive captain in one team. And if you make him captain, then must try to drop him of the other team upper order. If he play in this match, and he coming to in a power play. So if he get wicket, then whom's wicket he get? Opener. So you have to choose in that. You have to choose in all the upper order. You have to if you make him captain, then if you expect 2 to 3 wickets, and if you bowling in power play, then who is the 2 or 3 batsmen, then you drop 2 or 3. You have to take that type of risk. If you have like to want good Grand League rank, then you have to expect the match. You have to thinking, if you make one team, then you have to thinking about that match. If I make him captain, how much he have the potential to score? How if I make him captain one bowler, then whom I drop, whom or not? You have to understand that thing. So I have explained one by one things, and 13 points I explain here. Only my target will be Grand League for this match. If you like my video, then please like, and then please like this video, and also support সাপোর্ট মি অ্যান্ড সো যা ভিডিওটা ভালো থাকলে অবশ্যই লাইক করো, তোমাদের লাইকেই তো মোটিভেশন পাওয়া যায়। if you like me, that will be motivated for me. So obviously if you like my video or like, then coming to my next video, I hope someone will get Grand League today's match. So I hope so. And obviously if you understand any point, not understand any point, then please comment in my comment section, I will help you. Thanks for watching.